retrieved the passport from the broker about 2 weeks later. Looking at the creation, it was flawless. Name Suji Tsushima. Age 13. Hair color brown. Eye color brown. Height 5'6". Birthday June 19th. All of the forged and fake information was there. Perfect. I looked at the broker. He was smirking, obviously proud of his work. I handed him the other half of the money and walked away. Going to the roof of the library and sneaking down via the window was second nature to me by this point. I didn't even make a sound on my way to the computer lab on the first floor of the building. But before I could do anything, I had to make a deal first. Zeus. A dull thunder met my summons. The king of the Olympian gods did not like to bother with calling demigods. I want to make a deal with you. Nothing. If you agree, you'll be free of me for the next few years. I continued on. A non-threatening thunder came back. He was interested. As for right now, Thalia is going to be the child of prophecy. She's somewhere in the age of 15. You and I both know that. I've removed myself from her way, so no unnecessary problems should arise from her on my account. Thunder, almost like a thank you, could be heard. Let me fly once, and I won't bother you with my presence until I'm 16. Even then, I'll only pop in to make sure she completed the prophecy. At first, I thought that maybe I had been too direct or demanding, because I was once again met with silence. But then, thunder shook the sky. 1 boom for yes and 2 for no, I instructed. I felt like a teenager hunting ghosts. Thunder shook the sky only once.